In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an incoming webhook in Slack. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is create a new Slack app. To do this, head over to the Slack API configuration page at api.slack.com/apps. Once you're there, look for the button that says Create New App and click it. You'll be given a couple of options, and you'll want to select From Scratch. Now, you'll need to give your app a recognizable name, something that clearly identifies its purpose, and select the Slack workspace where this app will operate. Once you've entered that information, proceed to the next step. Next, we need to activate webhooks for your app. In your app dashboard, navigate to the left sidebar where you'll find a section labeled Features. Under this section, click on Incoming Webhooks. There you'll see a toggle switch. Flip that switch to On. This allows your app to send messages to your Slack channels via the webhook. Now that you've activated webhooks, it's time to generate your webhook URL. Scroll down to the bottom of the page to find the button labeled Add New Webhook to Workspace. When you click that, you'll be prompted to select a specific Slack channel, whether it's public or private, where you want your automated messages to be posted. After choosing your channel, click on Allow to authorize the necessary permissions for the app. Once that's done, you'll be redirected back to the webhook settings page, and you'll notice your brand new, unique URL displayed under Webhook URLs for your workspace. To make sure you don't lose it, click on Copy to save that URL to your clipboard. Now comes an important security note. Keep this URL completely confidential, just like you would a password. Anyone who has access to this URL can send anonymous HTTP post requests directly into your Slack workspace, which could lead to unwanted messages or even spam. So, you have your webhook URL, and now it's time to test your connection. To do this, you'll configure your external app or script to send an HTTP post request to that URL. Make sure the headers are set to content type application JSON. A simple JSON payload can look something like this. JSON text, hello, this is a test message from my new webhook. Once you send this post request, keep an eye on the Slack channel you designated earlier. If everything is set up correctly, you should see your test message pop up in that channel almost immediately. And there you have it. You've successfully created an incoming webhook in Slack that allows you to send messages automatically. This tool can be incredibly useful for notifications, updates, or any other automated messages you'd like to share with your team. If you have any questions about what we covered or want to see more tutorials, feel free to drop a comment. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video if you found this helpful. Thank you for watching, and